We're here, farmers market. My favorite place to go on Sundays. Ever Washington. This is a place that we like to go to. 10 years we've been coming here now. Berries are out in full force. But the thing I'm looking for today is peaches. That's what Judy wants. Specifically, donut peaches. Let's see if they have them here. Oh, the breeze is really nice. It's actually surprisingly kind of chill today. It's a warm day today, but the breeze is making it feel chilly. I mean, there's not that many people. Usually this place is packed. This is the stone fruit guy. Let's see what they got today. Looks like they got some yellow peaches. Ooh, uh-oh. Mommy's favorite. Donut peaches. We'll probably get plenty of those. Okay. Oh, they might even have some white nectarines too. Oh, they got apples. Apples are out. A lot of people don't know. You can buy apples year round, but a lot of apples are stored in some kind of special cold storage, like a fridge, but specifically for fruit. It's a little bit different than a regular fridge, I think. But when apples come out, they call them new crop. And they're the best, obviously, because they're super fresh. And you can get them oftentimes at the farmer's market right when they're picked. And so I'm gonna get those too. Can you pack a whole bunch of these donut peaches, please? Juliana and Kira decided to come with me. Thank you. They're my helpers. Definitely makes it easier.
152.
Yeah,
152.
I got my girls here. Thank you.
I like these so much because you could just rip them in half.
I know. I agree. What kind of apples are these? Tideman? Oh, wow.
They're an old school. They're great for baking, but they're also sweet enough that you can eat plain.
Okay, cool. And they're obviously new crop, right?
Oh, yeah.
Tideman apples. We're going to go ahead and get those. Have a new friend here. Rosie, you say?
Hi, how are you?
Hey, Rosie. What kind of dog is it?
She's a cavapoo.
There's another dog. Cavapoo? Wow. Girls are loving this dog. By the way, one of my long lost friends is here. The mushroom guy.
Who's the mushroom guy?
He hasn't been here all season, or at least I haven't seen him. So we're gonna go check out his mushrooms, which kind of sounds weird, but he's got the best mushrooms around. Everett Farmers Market, look for the mushroom stand. Usually they only have one, and this is the best. In fact, it makes me want to make mushroom pasta.
I love mushrooms. Like,
Hey! I haven't seen you. Long time. Yeah, good to see. Oh, good. I'm actually way better now that I got your mushrooms. Because we haven't had these in a long time.
A long time. It's been a while.
Oh my gosh. What's the name of your business again?
Skagit Gourmet Mushroom.
Okay, Skagit Gourmet Mushrooms, you guys. I'm just vlogging it right now. The best. So what should I get? I was thinking about doing a mushroom pasta and doing kind of a mix. I'm gonna dry roast them.
Yeah, maybe blue and black.
Okay, cool. Yeah, well, I'll get a good bag of those.
Sure.
Look at all the variety here. A lot of these mushrooms you can't really find at most grocery stores, or they definitely don't look this good. And if they do have them, yeah, they're just never this fresh, never this beautiful and delicious looking. Like, look at these guys. This stand is the busiest vegetable stand of the market. It's at the very end. Subway? Why do you want to go to Subway? Okay, well, there's so much more deliciousness. At the other end, there's a whole bunch of food stands. Don't worry, we're gonna get something delicious. So the girls saw the Subway behind me.
No, I love the Filipino food.
I can't blame them because when I was their age, I would have loved going to Subway too. So they got tomatoes here, all kinds of berries, blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, and then this thing. I don't know what this is, but that's the cool thing. You find all kinds of different fruits. I don't know, some kind of fruit. It's like a grape. Can you grab two of them? The zucchinis. Gonna make some kind of zucchini dish. Definitely need some carrots. Hey, can you grab a bunch of carrots, please? Okay, two is fine. We'll definitely use them. They got all kinds of different onions. I mean, I don't even know what kind of onions these are. Beets basically grow almost all year round. Really healthy. I think these are also zucchini or maybe squash. Ton of variety with potatoes. They got the little small ones. Oh, these are so good. I think these are the ones that I make French fries with every single year. These are darker ones, purple flesh to it, and then of course, yeah, more red potatoes over there. I think these ones though are my favorite that they sell. It's got a yellow buttery inside. Great for deep frying, great for mashed potatoes. Kira's gonna hold her place in line. Thank you very much. We're gonna get some tomatoes. Are these ready to eat, these tomatoes?
Yes.
Did you say? Oh,
These are not Romas. They look like it. They're not for cooking down. They're a speckled Roman,
Oh,
and they
cool.
are excellent heirloom.
Juliana, grab a whole bunch of those.
Blue Beach.
Okay.
This is another good one, and
All
golden
Okay.
brandy wine.
Juliana, grab about
These?
7 or 8 of those
Like,
ones.
you
Yeah,
use, like,
yeah.
This too?
Yeah.
Totally. You can do whatever you want.
Grab a
I
whole
have
bunch.
the empty boxes.
Yep. I'm gonna make a tomato salad today, which is gonna be amazing. And then, you know what? Grab one of these yellow ones too.
The larger pint.
Look at your colorful
We're
basket.
gonna be eating good today.
Not yet. It's coming.
Look at this parsley. You cannot find parsley like this at the grocery store.
Still blue.
Really nice. This fennel, squash flower. You can actually put this on pizza. It's really popular in Italy to put the flour on pizza. Look at this. Broccoli's coming out. Let me see that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get that for juicing. Kira just let me know there's a fan inside a Subway right now. And it's funny. She looks like she's shy. If you see us at the market, you can just come right up to us. Don't be shy. She's totally Instagramming us or something. Maybe putting us on TikTok. Look at these shishito peppers. I don't know what that is, but it looks very interesting. I'm guessing it's some kind of bean.
Dragon's tongue.
Oh, dragon's tongue. Is it a bean?
It's a bean.
Oh, it's a bean. Okay, by the way, the name of that farm is called Frog Song. I know, it's my favorite. It's really my favorite. But the reason I bring it up, you heard as I was vlogging a little bit about the tomatoes. I even saw him offering some raspberries for half off. You would never get that at a regular grocery store. And then even when I went up to the checkout stand, the lady was explaining to me beans that I didn't recognize. So that's cool. Frog Song. End of the Everett Farmers Market. All right, so we found a dessert stand. What is this right here?
Cinnamon roll.
This is a cinnamon roll?
Yeah, it's a cinnamon
Wow.
roll. You see?
Looks awesome.
So good.
These look fun. Some kind of
Funfetti cake.
funfetti birthday cake in a fun tin. What are you gonna buy?
Cookies and cream brownie.
Cookies and cream
It's
brownie.
right over there.
Where?
Behind him.
Oh,
I don't
yeah,
know
he's
if
got
I'm
a lot of desserts here.
anything here.
Here's a
We get a
lemon
macaron
one, Reese's.
I would say this guy is probably the most
Pecan.
popular dessert stand. We rarely buy stuff from here because we have another lady we get macarons from, but
Well, we get
Yeah.
cookies. We get
this
cookies
guy's stuff is really
too.
The guy just put out these. Okay, those are legit.
Cinnamon rolls.
This looks good for me right there. Blueberry crumble. This is the one that
Also, look at the
Kira
normal
got.
brownie. The normal brownie also looks so
Oh
good.
my gosh, look at this.
What's that one?
Nice. Let's go home and try these. I don't know, when you have a stand like that with a guy that's all he does, just the levels of decadence and deliciousness, unmatched. Unmatched. It's always fun letting the kids pick something delicious once a week. I mean, they get snacks at least once every day. They get something sweet. I'm excited. I got the blueberry one, and I'll have it after lunch. When the girls are craving those quesadillas, this is a stand we go to. Now, it's not Mexican. It's Caribbean food, as the tent says. But their quesadillas are legit here.
Can I please get one cheese quesadilla?
You guys gonna eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm gonna get a steak tamale,
You
please.
water?
Are you kidding me?
So we got
See, it makes a
watermelon
better one.
juice and we got some lemonade. How is it?
It's good.
Is it really good?
Try it.
Yeah.
Try it.
Oh no, we forgot the water. We need the water. So they have the best tamales here. The girls love their
I like the
quesadillas.
chicken one.
And
I like the chicken too.
Juliana got the chicken. When you come here, you can't forget their hot sauce. I usually buy a whole bottle, but I still have some left. But it's a habanero hot sauce. It's really
For
good.
now.
Oh yeah. There you go. That's what's up. Okay, so we found a nice shady spot.
So good.
Steak tamales. I was talking to the lady that cooked these, talking her head off. She didn't speak that much English, but she's the one that came up with the habanero hot sauce recipe. I was just praising her. Any chef loves to be complimented on their cooking or anything that they create, including hot sauce. Woo! I'm telling you, this is just the bombest. These tamales, it's interesting. I'm assuming she's from the Caribbean. These are some of the best tamales I've ever had. Now, one guy went there, asked for coleslaw on top. That's smart. I kind of wish I could do that. So meaty, so spicy, so decadent. To have that balance of the cold coleslaw with the crunchy vegetables and that sweetness of the sauce. It's a nice dance. Which one's your favorite? Lemonade or watermelon?
Lemonade.
Do you girls remember coming here when you were really little?
Yeah. I love coming here. This is like my favorite place.
I know, it's one of Daddy's favorite
I
places
just came
too.
because something always happens whenever I try to
know.
go. No, that's not true. I wanted to go last time, but you were out of town, and then the day before that. Why didn't we go? Yeah, actually.
The girls are really excited. Blueberry crumble. Oh wait, he called it a blueberry crisp.
Giant cinnamon roll. Like, this is it's like the size of my face.
This is mind-blowingly amazing. The guy said that normally it's a raspberry one. I prefer blueberries, so this is perfect for me. Kira's over there Instagramming. She's not on Instagram, but that's what she's doing. Oh. These are so decadent. I only eat maybe half of it. I'm okay with just 2 bites, but I'll eat half, save the rest for Judy. How is it?
Bad. It's actually really good.
One of the cool things about desserts here at the farmer's market is that is a good example. A lot of these guys or these vendors, they'll use ingredients from the other stands. So he's probably doing a blueberry tart or whatever you call it, blueberry crisp, I think that's what he said, because blueberries are in season right now, which totally makes sense. And using seasonal ingredients, they're at the peak of freshness. They're perfectly ripe. The flavor, just you can't beat it. Grocery store might have great tasting fruits, but if you get it here at the farmers market and you put it into your dessert,
Here, I want you to try this.
okay.
I didn't want you to take a bite because you just eat it all.
Mmm.
Yeah, and our blueberries are
My gosh.
Great.
This is like a dessert buffet right now for us.
What if we made blueberry tarts at home? Because we have blueberry.
I mean, we could. But yeah, these desserts were probably made this morning, if not last night. Super fresh. And it's cool being able to talk to the person
Guys,
that made the thing that you're about to enjoy.
Daddy,
It's like being at someone's house,
Oh my
except you're
God.
not.
you know how it's fresh if this is not hard and the icing's so soft.
See, that's what I'm talking about. She knows what's up. Because they like to make baked goods
and
and
ours,
desserts.
He literally just took it out of the
Yeah.
car.
Yeah, because when you put a dessert into the fridge, that frosting, it gets hard and then it's not as enjoyable. So yeah, I haven't even opened it yet, I don't think. Oh, I did open it.
Yeah, I remember you
That'd be
thinking
scary if that was someone else's, but it's not. That vegetable stand, we got a whole bunch of tomatoes. I mean, you saw the variety. We got that kale. We got the, what else did we get there? Carrots, 2 bunch of the carrots. We got a whole bunch of stuff and it was $30 for all of that. That could have easily,
really?
yeah, that could have easily cost a lot more. One thing about that stand, they're not certified, but they're using organic practices. And regardless of all that, just the quality, the flavor, the deliciousness, and you could just tell how good it is, how much passion they have. I mean, the guy was literally describing the tomatoes that he grows, and that's pretty cool. I love the grocery store. I love the people that work there, and a lot of them do have passion, especially if you go to maybe a local place like the co-op. But it's nothing like the farmer who grows his own produce talking to you when they just probably picked it the day before. And then oftentimes with that guy, I know that he picks it that morning. So I hope you guys look for a farmer's market. They're popping up everywhere. That's one of my favorite things to do, is go to a farmer's market wherever I travel. So
You never do that.
yeah,
Yeah, we do.
What?
I do.
Really?
Yep.
We do all the time.
I was not informed.
You were not informed? Okay.